Hey guys, let's see today how to rotate या flip photos on iPhone. So guys, whatever the reason, but I wanted to show you guys how to rotate या flip photos on iPhone. So for that, just go to Photos app, just tap on it, and now you have to select any photo first. So for me, let me select this photo, and now I will show you how to rotate या flip photos, how to rotate या flip photo, particular this photo. So for that, you can see the top right corner edit option is there. Just select edit, and now you can see, you can just select here. If you see the down, just this, just select that, yeah. And now, yes, so now you select the top left corner for flip the photos. Just, yeah, so now your photo got flipped. Again, if I do press, if I again, you have to select this one, again your photo got flipped. And now guys, if you want to rotate, then for rotate you just select here, so your photo got rotate. So again, you have to want to rotate, just select this again, this photo, yeah. So guys, this way you can rotate या flip photos on iPhone guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.